This free AI tool can add realistic sound effects and fully synchronize them with any video clip you have. Saving you the time of looking for and generating sound effects and editing them in. Here's how to do this. First, find or create a video file. I've generated this clip of a man jumping into a pool with the Google Veo 2 model. Next, I'll open the MMAudio app page on the Hugging Face website. Make sure you have the video to audio option selected. The text to audio option lets you generate sound effects only based on your text prompt. Next, upload your video file. In the prompt section, describe what's happening in the video to assist the model in knowing what sound effects to create. You can leave the rest as default, but make sure the duration matches the actual length of your clip, which is set to 8 seconds by default. Then press Submit. After about 20 seconds, you'll get the video with sound, which you can download. Here's what it sounds like. Aside from Google's Veo 3 model, almost all AI video making tools and websites only generate you video files with no sound. Some models do have sound, but it's very unrealistic or not properly synced with the visuals of the video, like in Grok's new Imagine tool. This tool, which you can run locally by downloading the model and the code on GitHub, is a good solution for adding sound effects for AI-generated videos.